Do you know why all the landmarks in Saudi Arabia are steel structures? Because steel is safer. Look at this photo. This is a tornado that happened in Saudi Arabia, destroying all the surrounding buildings built with concrete. Steel structure has good ductility and can effectively absorb and disperse the impact. So whether it is a high-rise building or a stadium or exhibition center, steel structure can easily cope with all kinds of extreme weather. Moreover, steel structure materials can be recycled to reduce carbon emissions. The Saudi Arabia Kingdom building was built with 80,000 tons of steel, such a huge volume, but there has not been a single safety accident during the construction process. The steel structure is much stronger, more ductile and earthquake-resistant than reinforced concrete, and is much lighter. This made the project more efficient and greatly shortened the construction period. LF has been specializing in the field of long-span steel structures for 30 years and has a global presence, combining aesthetics and mechanical design to create countless seismic, wind-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing landmark buildings. Do you have a project you need help with? LF helps make every project a success.